So I'm preparing for the winter. This is a new design that I've made. It's a Turgo not Pelton, Turgo. It's alternative to Pelton. Pelton use twice bucket like this. This one is basically a Pelton cut in half. I used sand casting to make this aluminium parts, and this is 3D printed part. So I will see how it will hold, how it will stay, like if it will work the whole winter. If not, I can still make this part in aluminium, because even like this, it's a 50% infill 3D printed part, so it's kind of weak, but technically it should survive. I will see. Then it's a basic LG inverter. They call it smart drive, I think, smart drive motor. Here I have the 3 wires. This motor came with the machine. It's a washing machine, as I said, smart drive. I used this one the whole previous winter. The bearings are still good. There is small quantity of rust, but it's not a lot. So I will place it back. I will place the stator back and the rotor, put the wheel, and see how much I can produce. Right now there is 2 tubes of 2 inches that come. There is like around 15 meter drop. For now I'll leave it with this 40 milliliter PVC, but previous year I used an adapter and I went down to 10 millimeter. I think I was producing 150 watts, something like this. It was a Pelton wheel. So I want to try with Turgo and see if it can produce more. If not, I can always make a Pelton. So yeah, I will film the whole installation and that's it. Oh, and I forgot, here is the rest of the washing machine. Basically I took off the drum and I kept the outside shape. I don't know we call this in English. And here is a bridge rectifier. Is right behind this. I put it's a computer fan with just a simple button to basically it pass 3-phase AC to 1-phase AC, so 3 cable to 2 cables. Previous year I used a charge controller with a battery and an inverter to go to the house, but this time I will try to not convert anything here and keep the high voltage up there, and up there I'm gonna use the electricity. So yeah, let's see. So everything is going well, no problem, nothing bent or anything. But I'm facing a first issue. I need Turgo work the best with 20 degrees angle jet, so basically it should be around something like this, but the best would be to have something to measure. So I will try first with let's say with the eyes, as we say. So basically I won't have anything, it won't be a precise 20 degrees, but I think it will do the job for now, and maybe later on I will come here and make it 20 degrees, because I will probably lose some efficiency. So yeah. So after like 5 minutes running, I'm having a problem is that I don't have enough water right now. Basically it's dry for the 40 millimeter. It's too much. It's too much for the summer. Right now it starts to come back, but basically there is not a lot of water, and yeah, I'll wait a bit and try again. But the first result was quite good, probably around 200 watts, so I'll film that. That's around 200 watts.